Hey, it's Oz here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your PayPal account to your Shopify store. This is super easy to do and it's very fast, and I always recommend everybody start at least by offering PayPal payments. If possible, offer PayPal payments and credit card payments, and then just test and see which one works better for you. Obviously, if you make sales both ways, then I would keep running with both, but definitely test PayPal, because some people just prefer to pay via PayPal. That's one of those things, and if you don't have PayPal enabled on your online store, you could potentially be leaving money on the table. So let's get on with the setup. Okay, so the first thing that I recommend is that you actually log into your PayPal account. I'm not going to do that on my screen for obvious reasons, because you and I know that somebody somewhere will then log into my PayPal account, and let's not have any of that going on. But do log in, open up a new tab like this and just log in, because that will actually make the setup process a lot easier. Okay, so once you've logged into your PayPal account, go back to your store, and here what you want to do is click on the settings cog wheel at the very bottom left of your screen. And when you click on that, you'll see this screen. From here, from the settings screen, you want to click on the payments icon, which is the second option on the general on the left. And that will take you to this page, which is the payments page. On this page, you just want to scroll down a little bit until you see the second box, which is the PayPal box. Now, obviously, if they change the order of these boxes at some point, then don't count the boxes. Just actually look for the one that has the PayPal logo. Okay, so here, all you do is you click the drop-down menu and you select whatever option applies to you. Now, I'm in the UK and I have a feeling that this is why I'm seeing this menu. I have no way of testing this outside of the UK unless I fly there and then try it, but your menu may look a little bit different. I'm seeing options for the UK and also for the US and Canada. So in my case, I would select PayPal Express Checkout. That's by far the easiest one to set up. So if you have the PayPal Express Checkout option, definitely click on that one. Now, once you click on that, what's going to happen is that the screen will reload. And let's scroll back down again. And what you'll see here are the rates for the credit card rates and the transaction fees. Now, it does say here that you must have a PayPal business account, and this is actually free to do. At least it has been up until now. All you do in your PayPal account is you click on the upgrade to business account. Now, they do keep changing the interface in PayPal, so these things keep moving. If you can't find where that is, just leave me a comment in the comments section below this video and I'll see what it is and post a link. And no doubt that will change in future again. But as I say, if you can't find that, just pop a comment in the comments and let's see if we can sort that out. Okay, so providing you have a PayPal business account, all you do is you click on the activate button here, and this will then connect your Shopify store to your PayPal account. Now, if you recall at the beginning of this video, I said best thing to do is to log into your PayPal account in a different tab on the same browser, of course. And what happens then is that this connection process doesn't need you to log into your PayPal account because you're already logged in. Now, if you didn't log in, don't sweat it, it's fine. All that will happen is that you will need to log in to complete the process. Now, once you click on the activate button and Shopify finds your PayPal account, to make that connection, you'll have a little pop-up on your screen. So just follow the instructions on your screen. It's very quick. There's only a couple of things to do, and that will connect your PayPal account to your Shopify account. From that point on, you'll be able to take PayPal payments via your Shopify store. This is easy, it's quick, and it's essential. I hope you found this video useful. While you're here, by the way, please subscribe to the channel, and that way you'll get updates to all the videos, tips and tricks as soon as they come out. Take it easy, and I'll catch you in the next video.